morning guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning the underside of Brum the Jeep with a can of Coke and an old toothbrush that I found. Okay, so it's a very simple process. I've got my can of Coke, I've got a cup to tip it into, I've also got a cup full of hot water and the toothbrush that I found. So what I'm going to do is just dip the toothbrush into the Coke, clean the underside of the Jeep, then wash the toothbrush off in hot water and just repeat, and hopefully we've got a smicky brand new looking underneath of the Jeep. So I've just finished off the shock and that is looking damn good. I just can't believe how well that actually turned up. So next thing we're doing is the springs. You can see there is quite a lot of dirt and dust there, and there's some like overspray paint there that hopefully we can get off. So that's before. Just finished off the spring. Couldn't get that bit of paint off there, but it's looking so good now. Now I just have to clean up all this here, these rails, most important part, the chassis, and we should be looking good. Alright guys, that's it for today. Really impressed with the way this has turned out. Just something simple and cheap that everybody can do at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.